The Deputy Commissioner of Police spoke with me yesterday. He said they have an intelligent report that we are going to have a protest here today. And I told them we are not protesting. Why would we protest? We are jubilating because God has answered our prayer. So when you are jubilating, you don't protest. And we are jubilating in the corner of our wards, of our units, and of our local government. So we are not having any protest at all. But when I met a contingent of policemen all around there, I was baffled because I have discussed with them. The way you read it, I read it also. The office is similar and all that. And I spoke to them. The later said, since they have the intelligent report, they now thought if peradventure we change our mind, we want to do protest. They want to guide us, be with us to make sure that there is no breakdown of peace. That was their excuse. But there is nothing like siege. It is the opposition that is turning into main another thing, different kind of stories. So we are not protesting, and the police has not sealed off our office. I'm happy you are here. You have been here before. We are operating normally. I've had meetings here since 8 o'clock this morning till about 12, and I left for another meeting, and I'm still back for some other meeting. So there is no siege.
The people at home will have thought that probably you are leading people over there, sir. What is your message for the people of the state as regards this present situation, bro? Your message
that
for
we
the
are
people.
misleading.
Yes, sir. That was the impression that the PDP secretariat was under siege. How do you correct this impression?
What he's trying to say is most of the messages on social media came from handles that are familiar with
your own
with
party.
the PDP hierarchy.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Normally when we want to have any program or we have anything that can lead to breach of peace, we write officially to the security agencies, and we did not do that. When we did not write to them, we did not invite them, and you just came here very early in the morning and you saw contingent of police people. What do you call that? And there is no excuse, no reason for it. So until you now start talking to them and finding out what is happening. The Deputy Commissioner of Police spoke with me yesterday. I said, we are not protesting. If you want to protest, we'll write you for police escort. And for you to be aware that we want to do that. And more so, we don't have any reason to protest anyway. Protest over what? You understand? So we are not misleading the public. If there is a social media report that is associated with PDP that wrote that, is because they saw a police people in our office uninvited. You understand? So, but we have cleared that, and that's why you don't see you see them no more here. So we are not misleading the public.
The All Progressive Congress, they held a mass demonstration last week against the judgment of the tribunal favoring your party. Ever since the judgment, there's been really not much of celebration or jubilation in mass appeal from your own party. What we had was flashes of jubilation in Ede and some areas of Osun. How happy do you think the people of Osun are with this tribunal judgment?
Maybe you are not aware. The day that judgment was given, it is not only in Osun, because I know every unit, every ward, every local government, they were jubilating. In fact, the beer parlor was full with people. A lot of people drank to stupor. You understand? Not only in Osun, in Nigeria, people were jubilating in Bagi, people were jubilating in Oyo, people were jubilating in so many other states. Because this particular judgment has a bearing with the future of Nigeria and has a bearing with the future of democracy in Nigeria. We deliberately avoid so many of our people want to troop out, but we know these people, they are looking for trouble. They are looking for excuses. They are devil, and you know devil. They are like roaring lion, looking for who to devour. You understand? So we don't want to allow them to maim or injure any of our members. So we have been containing them to be peaceful, to be law-abiding. But mark you, by the time the judgment in Supreme Court comes, nobody will stop us from jubilating. You see celebration.
Yes, sir. Mr. Chairman, sir.